AhaSlides is a presentation tool which works like many other presentation tools, except this one is all about interactivity. So the idea is to create a more engaging way of sharing information. So rather than being a lecturer using a slides presentation tool, you're using this multi-layered platform that allows students to engage and interact so that they're learning in a far more active way than the kind of passive lecturer way. Um, as a result, you've got standard sort of presentations. You've got the interactive part of that. You've got quizzes, you've got polls, you've got word clouds. So there's lots of ways of engaging and coming off the slides and building out from that and having interaction throughout it. There's lots of templates in there, so there's lots of pre-made material that you can get straight into as an educator. But then there's also really good integrations. So you could work with Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides, for example, and take resources that you've already created, pull them in, and use them in an interactive way. So this can add a lot more richness to it. Um, that can be done, in the class. It can be done hybrid. It can be done online, and usefully, it will work with mobile devices without students having to sign in, sign up, give details. There's anonymity, so students can take part kind of confidently. So you might even be talking about, SEN, emotional ways of, sharing, experiencing, and students can talk or interact without feeling that they're going to be they're anonymized, so they can do it comfortably. After you do these kinds of things, you've then got outputs. So there's a fantastic dashboard with analytics, so you can look at all this information, all the rich data on the how children are doing, and you can share that with admins, share it with parents. And it's got a very minimal learning curve, so it's very easy to use. Anyone can pick this up, get stuck in straight away. There's a free tier as well, and paid tiers with extra bits on top. So yeah, really useful, visually lovely and engaging, fun. Something that both students and educators can get a lot out of.